Dialogue 1. Introducing yourself.
Hi, my name is Nicole.
Nice to meet you, Nicole.
I'm a freelance graphic designer.
That's interesting. What's your specialty?
I specialize in branding and logos.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm Bella.
Nice to meet you, Bella.
I work in marketing and advertising.
That's cool. What do you do?
I create social media campaigns.
That sounds exciting and challenging.
Yes, it is. What about you?
I love creating unique designs.
Do you have a portfolio?
Yes, I can show you later.
I'd love to see it sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
So, where are you from?
I'm originally from New York.
Oh, I've always wanted to visit.
It's a great city, you should go.
I will definitely add it to my list.
What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles, California.
That's awesome. I've always wanted to go.
It's a beautiful place, you should visit.
I definitely will someday.
So, what do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy hiking and photography.
That's great, I love hiking too.
It's a great way to clear your mind.
Yes, it is. What about photography?
I love capturing beautiful moments.
That's a great way to express yourself.
Yes, it is. What about you?
I enjoy reading and traveling.
That's cool. Where have you been?
I've been to Europe and Asia.
That's amazing. What was your favorite place?
I loved Paris and Tokyo the most.
I've always wanted to go to Tokyo.
You should definitely go, it's amazing.
I will definitely add it to my list.
Dialogue 2. Name origins. Hi, my name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
Do you know the origin of your name?
Yes, it means grace in Greek.
That's a beautiful meaning.
What about your name, Emily?
It means rival in Latin.
That's interesting. Any story behind it?
My parents just liked the name.
That's cool. My middle name is Marie.
That's a classic name. Any meaning?
It means bitter in Hebrew.
Oh, I didn't know that.
What about your middle name?
My middle name is Elizabeth.
That's a popular name. Any meaning?
It means pledge to God in Hebrew.
That's a beautiful meaning.
Thank you. What about your last name?
My last name is Johnson.
That's a common last name. Any history?
It's an English name meaning son of John.
That's interesting. My last name is Vigid.
That's a common last name too. Any history?
It's a Lao name meaning graceful.
That's a beautiful meaning.
Thank you. Do you have any nicknames?
Yes, some people call me Liz.
That's a cute nickname. I go by M.
That's a nice nickname too.
Thank you. Do you know any famous people with your name?
Yes, there's Elizabeth Taylor and Queen Elizabeth.
Wow, those are some famous namesakes.
What about your name, Emily?
There's Emily Dickinson and Emily Blunt.
Those are some great namesakes too.
Thank you. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
That's cool. I have an older sister.
Do you have any similarities in your names?
Yes, we both have middle names that start with E.
That's a nice coincidence.
Dialogue 3. Nicknames.
Hi, my name is Samantha.
Nice to meet you, Samantha.
Do you have any nicknames?
Yes, some people call me Sam.
That's a cute nickname. I go by Sammy.
That's a nice nickname too.
Thank you. How did you get your nickname?
My friends started calling me that in high school.
That's cool. My nickname came from my dad.
That's sweet. What does he call you?
He calls me Sammy Girl.
That's adorable. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I like my nickname too. What about your family?
My sister calls me Sammykins.
That's a unique nickname. What about your friends?
My friends call me Samwise sometimes.
That's a fun nickname. Do you have any other nicknames?
Not really, just those 3. What about you?
Some people call me Bella instead of Isabella.
That's a pretty nickname. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. What about your full name?
My full name is Samantha Marie Johnson.
That's a nice name.
What about yours?
My full name is Isabella Rose Martinez.
That's a beautiful name. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
That's cool. I have an older sister.
Do you have any similarities in your names?
Yes, we both have middle names that start with M.
That's a nice coincidence.
Dialogue 4. Name changes.
Hi, my name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Did you know that I changed my name?
Really? What was your original name?
My original name was Samantha.
That's interesting. Why did you change it?
I just never really felt like a Samantha.
That makes sense. How did you choose Sarah?
It's a name that I've always liked.
That's a good reason. Do you like it better?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I've never changed my name, have you?
No, I haven't. But I know some people who have.
That's cool. Why did they change their names?
One of my friends changed her name after getting married.
That's a common reason. Did she like her new name?
Yes, she did. Another friend changed her name for religious reasons.
That's interesting. What did she change it to?
She changed it to a name that had a special meaning in her religion.
That's a nice reason to change your name. Do you know anyone else?
Yes, I know someone who changed their name to distance themselves from their past.
That's understandable. Did it work?
Yes, it did. What about you? Would you ever change your name?
I don't think so. I like my name. What about you?
I'm happy with my name now, but who knows what the future holds.
That's true. Do you have any nicknames?
Yes, some people call me Sar for short.
That's a cute nickname. What about your family?
My family still calls me Samantha sometimes.
That's understandable. It can be hard to adjust to a new name.
Yes, it can be. But I'm happy with my decision.